It's a bit late for this, but like bowling vlog.
Bowling vlog. Bowling vlog.
Volleyball. Volleyball.
Boggy log.
Volleyball?
Boggy.
I'm bowling vlogging.
Hello, vlog. I'm bowling.
This is a bowling ball.
I've broken my streak. He's finally got vlog footage with me not playing Pokemon Go.
I mean, you can change that.
You just that's how you do it.
I think this is like really unfocused. Like the bowling pins are really blurry.
Are they not blurry to you?
Isn't there a zoom function?
Maybe.
You can like tap on them, like automatically focus.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Hey. Okay.
So if I can get 5 more pins total, I get to make a funny joke.
Yeah, okay, so the thing is, in the scene in the anime where Pac-Man is like floating through the air or something, and like there's this person getting to the screen and saying on their phone, saying, "This is gonna go viral," and then Pac-Man says, "Oh man, I'm a meme," and it's just terrible. And I want more of it.
Okay. Go on. This time Yay, we're in 2 points again.
Don't say that.
I got like a good angle on that.
No.
Actually, sure. Now all our viewers are gonna think I'm left-handed.
I like how without arms or hands, he's bad at golf but good at bowling.
It's because he's a snake, so with 2 teeth and a tongue.
That's because him like bowling, being caught by the ball.
Oh dear, actually,
Turtwig.
try and take something place.
My favorite.
Are you dumb enough to eat a snake? Oh, wait, no, wait. Wait, that's not the question I want to ask. You want to play Mario Kart?
Have you played with Link?
Oh, what?
When Porkchips goes step back, let's do that.
I still say it's the 6th number.
Oh! So, like,
I think you win.
You score again.
It's the 6th number.
Nice.
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 Porkchips.
Say nice for Porkchips, say nice for us.
You won again.
That's the me, the wiener.
Okay, so when do you think it starts and ends?
New Year's.
And none of you got it. Like, the answer is that it starts on Christmas and continues on into the next year. Merry Christmas and a happy.
What kind of Pocky did you get?
Chocolate banana cream covered chocolate biscuit sticks. Right.
It would be fun if Stone Tennis Lab dressed as Santa Claus. And then I feel
Mall
like
vlog.
Christmas mall blog.
That's why it's so crowded.
Look at those trees. They're like all red.
I have a lot of ideas for things I would do if I don't live in a place where I work. I still have no consequences.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was that big.
It's all leggings. It's all leggings.
Sure, like,
That the inside of that store. Like, look at that. That looks depressing. This mall isn't going to win points for atmosphere, but it has good variety. It has good selection. This is where the real fun.
Look at all those Greedo.
if you said something like want a pocky and wait that though,
Greedo.
like they would definitely get the wrong impression.
Oh, there is Nintendo stuff here.
Yeah.
This is the tiniest.
I know those are so small.
What's that ticking?
I don't know.
It's the mysterious ticking noise, of course.
Severus. Dumbledore.
I like this Gakenba.
Bomb down here.
Also, those are good Kirby's. Like, those are good round Kirby's. Sometimes you find Kirby plushes that aren't that round.
Are these?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a nice round.
You want another chocolate banana
I want to get this, but I hope it stands up.
Didn't you get one like that?
I got the
already?
Skull Kid, but it didn't stand up.
Yeah.
They don't have Chic anymore.
Like,
How's disarming that bomb going?
You did it.
Success up. This is worse than I thought.
It's not ticking faster.
Oh. A penny.
Yeah. Take a penny, leave a penny.
Exactly.
There we go.
Bomb defused.
Ernie.
Saved Christmas.
I'm gonna go look around.
You know what I feel? You know who I feel would fit this Toys R Us atmosphere perfectly?
Yes.
Mickey Mario.
Yeah, fair
oh
enough.
yeah.
We are here to buy Batman.
Hey viewers, want a pocky? That's the joke. That's the end of the joke.
Wait, what about the Ponky?
Now I wanted you to like put the Pocky into the. Yeah.
What about the Ponky that you got?
Insert non-copyright Jaws music.
Second strangest thing I've seen today.
What's the first?
Waking up.
What?
Are you going to explain that?
Another day.
I'm like a baby bird.
This is just a terrible idea.
Turtwig.
No.
Surprisingly desperate.
Should definitely throw this out.
Yeah.
Quality. Like, seriously.
One child remains.
Dawn and the final day. One child remains.
Pokemon?
Yes.
And Porkchips. I wanted to meet whoever made that. Wow.
This is exactly what I hoped.
I don't have to censor your face now. Like,
I can't look at you the same way now.
I forget what I look like. I've lost my identity.
Steven Universe fingerless gloves. I'd like to see him wear these.
Void skateboarder, void border, skateboarder, skateboarder.
Burgers and borders.
I narrowly avoided saying vor there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we just did by choice.
I like how much
A
quieter.
murder happened here.
I like how much quieter the mall is now than it was
Yeah.
earlier.
Oh yeah, especially in the Target.
Yeah. It's like a silent night,
Where are you going?
a holy night.
Going by the water fountain.
Okay.
All is calm.
All is Kong.
All might.